Hey everybody, Scott here. Just wanted to show you this Airfix 172nd Boulton Paul Defiant Mark 1 model airplane, as I like to put together model airplanes and collect them from all kinds of different eras. So we'll go ahead and open this box here and show you what's inside. So obviously right here you've got your instruction booklet. Your steps on painting and putting together your markings back here on the back, depending on what markings you want to use. You can see there, pretty nice instruction booklet. And then you've got your kit in here and these plastic packaging right here. Go ahead and open it. So it looks like we've got 3 different spurs, or whatever you want to call them, here for your parts. And then you've got your cockpit parts right here. So, and then here's some more information, and you got your decals. Just wanted to show you this real quick.